G'day everybody, it's Matt here, and today I've got the Greenworks 40v Lithium Axial Blower to have a look at. So as mentioned, this blower is 40 volts. It has a brushed motor and it's meant to have a maximum airspeed of 177 kilometers per hour, which is quite a lot. And that's a max volume of 663 cubic meters per hour. Now, it's meant to last for about 24 minutes on a 4 amp hour battery, which this one that I've got did come with. So that's here in the box. We've got our 4 amp hour battery. And without the battery, the weight is meant to be 2.33 kilos. So it's not super heavy. In the box, we've got a few different manuals. We've got one here for the charger, since this did come with a charger, and we've also got one for the blower itself, the operating manual, and then we also have our quick assembly instructions. So really, there's not a whole lot to it. This tube has 2 components and basically they slot together and clip on like so, and then this section has this little twist on mechanism to connect up to the blower and hold it on. Now the blower itself feels quite sturdy and substantial. The tube is just quite lightweight. So in the back of the blower, I don't know if you can see straight down in there, there is a fan in there, which is quite visible. So it's only got this grate for protection for anything coming in, and then it's straight out the other end. Like you can see through there, there's my hand. So we've basically just got this fan, very little filtering of anything, so a lot of airflow can get through there. And then of course, this is where our battery is going to sit on the top there. In terms of controls, we've got this trigger here, which just is our general use. And this one here is our cruise control lever, which that lets us lock it on so we don't have to actually hold the trigger down and we can just keep on blowing. So if we whip out our battery, I'm using a slice safety cutter here for cutting all of this tape. Makes it nice and easy. So this is the 4 amp hour 40 volt lithium battery, and pressing the button on the end, we have our charge capacity. So right now it's basically on empty. So what we want to do is line up these grooves on the bottom of the battery here with the grooves here in the blower. And that's just going to slot in and clip in like so. And so with that, there's actually a lot of weight being put on this now. And there's enough power here that we can operate it. So, and then cruise control. Now to release the battery again, I'm just going to press that grey button and slide that out. And then for charging, it's the same deal. We're just lining it up and slotting it onto our charger there, and it'll start charging for us when this is plugged into the power. Releasing, same thing. So this is the Greenworks 40 volt Lithium Axial Blower, and everything that comes in the box with it in this skin and battery pack. So we've got our blower, the skin itself, the battery, charger, and our manuals. So if you found this video helpful, check out the links down in the description for more information and pricing. And also, if you did like this, make sure you give it the thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me. Bye for now.